Okay, we have our spreadsheet open. Let's click in cell C5 and press the down arrow to C6, then Control Home takes us to A1, and click below the slider in the right scroll bar, and then hit the Page Up button. And now click in A5 and hold the left mouse button down and drag to D9, and then release the mouse button. Then hold the Control key down and click in A11 and D11 and A13. Then release the Control key and hold the Shift key down and click D13. And that'll select a block. Now press the Tab key 6 times and the Enter key twice, and then hold the Shift key down and press Enter, and then hold the Shift key down and Tab. And now let's click the Bold button to bold all those selected cells. And now click in A7 and double click on the right edge of the cell, and you'll find it jumps to the end of the row, and double click on the left edge of D7, and now double click on the top edge of A7, it jumps to the top. Now select cells D5 to D8 and note the message at the bottom telling you what the sum of those is. Now right click on that message and select Average. And now let's right click on it again and put it back to sum, just in case we need it again. Now click in B3 and go to the Windows menu and select Freeze Panes. And now press the down arrow key until you get down to around D27, and note the way the heading stays on the screen. And now click in the Windows menu again and select Unfreeze Panes. And now let's select cell A4 and go to the Format menu, Cells, and on the Alignment tab select the 0 in the degrees box and type 45, or you could drag that slider up and then click OK. And now let's go to the Tools menu and select Spelling and OK. And now let's select A1 to D1 and click the Merge and Center button. And now let's save our work.